see you. I'm just watching Tori do all the work.
Literally fuel, oil, and piss. Morning, afternoon. So Buddy and I kind of slept in for once. We needed to catch up on our sleep, so it's like 1 o'clock. We're both on our break right now, so we're gonna try to get some stuff done. What's up, buddy? Brake lines? Load them up. We don't need those. No, we're going. Don't dent the bed. Fuel lines?
Yeah, I don't want to dent the bed.
Fuel lines? We don't need those.
Guaranteed. This is a good old pit cart. It's gonna be sold soon.
Yep, we got to upgrade.
So everybody knows how much you selling it for?
$2,500.
$2,500.
Yep.
It still runs, and it's got this really sick white carbon fiber wrap on it, and reindeer stickers, bro.
Hey, upgraded speed. I will say it does need some new batteries, but it's got an upgraded speed controller, so it's a little faster.
It's a little faster than normal, and it's got a sick lift kit with some big old 35s on it.
6-inch lift kit.
Yeah, maxi pad while you're at it too.
Oh, dude, so much better. He's all second guessing himself. He's all second guessing himself. Well, buddy, are you second guessing yourself?
No. It'll be good.
He's all worried. This is where his original line was. And he gave himself, what, a nice little inch there all the way around? Or this is like 2 inches here.
It's just a little space, you know?
Yeah.
Well, let me explain why I did that. Because look at these cuts. I mean, they're pretty much perfect, you know, as is.
Not bad.
But I wanted to not be cutting off all that material when I do my final cuts.
Yeah.
I want to just be cutting off a little bit.
Yeah.
Just make it nice. I wasn't worried about cutting in the wrong spot, but.
And the only way we could cut off the end of the frame rails was with the Sawzall, so they're a little crooked, but that's okay because you can straighten it up and plate them, so it'll be fun.
Yeah, not worried about that.
All right.
Hey, Colin. Say hi to Colin.
Hey, buddy.
So we realized that we probably shouldn't swear on YouTube, right, Tori?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what happens if you do.
So you might want to beep out our videos, like this one, because Tori's a fucking idiot. He's a fucking dumbass.
Hey, you, dude.
And then I want it just to go beep, 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 beep. It'd be pretty sick.
Did you forget to record it there?
Yeah.
So where are we at? What did we get done? Want me to talk about this first?
Yeah, talk about your little plate.
Little plate. My little plate.
Little plate you're so proud of.
Little plate. So proud of. So this guy. Right there. Fits in there nice. Nice little bend on the bottom left corner. Block up that hole. We're gonna get ready to start cutting all this out and get this one all mocked up to where it can be welded. And then that far back corner circle is what we're gonna work on next. As you guys saw in the last video, we got all the front end cut out. I assume you're just making the final lines right now to get it all trimmed up and get it closer all throughout here.
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm making all the lines and then making this square so I can make my mounting boxes.
So there's going to be a box here. So obviously if we just did a plate right here, that'd be too small of a plate for the tube to weld to. So we need to come, I assume, more of like a parallel off of here, create a box so we can get a bigger face for the plate for the tube. So he's working on that, doing the final cuts and starting on those boxes. Hey, you know what I just noticed?
What?
You're wearing a different hat and sweatshirt today for the first time in fucking
because the other one's
3 videos.
Wash.
All right, well that took forever. However,
It only took like an hour because you made me tack stuff in.
yeah, oh yeah, I made you stop, right? No, that turned out good. He's obviously taken his time to make it perfect, which there's nothing wrong with that. What are you looking at, dude? So while he was doing that, I actually made him stop for a little bit. If you guys didn't see that, I got to a point where I got these plates done and they were literally in the perfect spot. So I asked him to stop what he was doing and tack them in real quick. So as you can see, those turned out pretty well. So
What's up, everybody? So I got a little ahead of myself and I didn't take any video, but we got started on the front tube. Here it is. We got our bars coming down from the strut towers to the frame on each side, and I just finished up bending the main hoop. And I'm gonna start trimming up some material so that way we can lay the front hoop all the way around. Then we'll notch it, make sure that the hood fits, and then we'll go from there. So what I did is I trimmed about 3 inches off of each side because I knew I didn't need as much as I left in there to bend. I kind of did that just as a barrier. So now I took 3 inches off of each side, and I'm gonna see about where it sits in the location that I want it to be. And it's still a little further out than I want it. As you can kind of see where I have it set here in this corner, I'm gonna have it drop down from the fender because I'm not really worried about supporting this because I have support all the way up to here on the fender. I'm dropping it down a little because it'll make it a lot easier when we go to do motor changes or we gotta pull the motor or working on the engine bay. Dropping it down will make it way easier to be able to reach into the engine bay. What I'm trying to do now is make sure that these bars here line up with the straight part, and so it looks like I gotta bring it in at least another inch or 2 before I start notching it to try and get the right notches at the right angle. But what I want to do is have a support off of this piece, and I'm going to create some kind of like triangulation because this piece will have a notch piece that'll come up to this part to support it, so that way we're all tied in through the frame and everything. And then we'll have one more bottom piece that comes down and that's bent, and usually that would be made as a support for your radiator, but we're not running the front mount radiator, we're running the rear mount. So then I'll have more triangulation off of these onto that bar there, so it's just all super structural. So I decided to do those notches. I need a third hand. I need Tori to hold them up so I can mark them and make sure that I'm doing the notches at the right angle. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is we have another piece that's going to come down from here, and so I'm going to make the plates for that bar to go to, and then I'll take my measurements and figure out the way to cut the tube and how to bend it, and I'll be able to do that one on my own. So super simple. Next thing I'll do is I'll fit them on here, wire brush the area that I need to tack weld, and then get them set.
Yesterday was New Year's, and we were I was at the brewery late. No, you were with us late, but you only came for a
I
beer.
was just here, getting the rest of the cage done and everything else,
And
cutting the door out.
No, I was just, bullshitting at the brewery.
Yeah.
So we were both a little tired today, but Buddy's been kicking ass like always. He's working on the top bar right now, just ready for notches. Getting that thrown on, making sure he notches it right. It's kind of a weird angle, so this one's a little technical, but if he looks at it about 10 more times, it should be good, right?
Alright, so Tori's giving up drifting. He's not drifting anymore, he's quit. And he started Pokemon card collecting.
New hobby.
This dude just bought a mystery pack. A f***ing mystery pack.
I wanna be the very best.
Wow, dude.
Pokemon, bro.
I'm pretty sure you can buy those at Target.
Are my hands clean enough to open these?
Let's see.
This looks legit, for sure.
Okay. Sick. Sick. No. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Oh, fucking sick, dude. $2 card. How much did you pay for your mystery pack there, bud?
$10.
Oh, okay. That's not. They can see it when it's in.
Hold it up. Show them what your idea is. And then we'll tack it in. Actually, just wanted to get a seat.
This is my idea.
Oh my god, dude, that looks so good!
So.
Woo!
So this is how things worked out. I drew a picture.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wait, hold on a second.
Drew a picture.
That's actually, honestly, that's a pretty good sketch.
And then I built it.
And then boom, there it is. What'd you mess up on?
The only thing I messed up on was this hoop. It was too far out. And I was just going off of the distance for the hood. But I didn't really take into account where the headlights sit on the bumper.
Yeah, so basically the header panel goes in right here, and this bar was too far tilted down.
It was too far out.
Or too far out this way. So you had to cut some off the edge.
Yeah, I had to take off about 2.5 inches.
And the reason is because of this header panel that the headlights mount to. We wanted to retain this because it's so much easier for mounting the headlights, mainly. So that way you don't have to build your own tabs for all the headlights and everything. So once you got that fixed, then you did these down bars, right?
Yeah, and so I made these down bars that support the top and bottom bar based off of this center bar that comes off the frame. So it kind of ties it all together. Kind of creates some triangulation strength between it all.
And then Jake has a plasma table, so we're gonna have him burn out 4 plates. Buddy will make them on the computer in SolidWorks, give him the file, and then he'll burn out 4 identical plates. Weld one here, and then one on the other side for the bash bar.
Yep.
So simple bash bar design: plate, straight bar, and then one bend all the way around.
Yeah. Well, I'll probably make these ones. I probably won't cut them out.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Cool. Nice job. Keep on keeping on, buddy.